Saudi Cup, John from Bench here. Today we're going to look at our EXCEED Viking Press and we're going to talk through all of the improvements and upgrades that we've made to this machine. So this actually has two different sets of handles. The reasons for that is when we designed this machine is in a neutral position on these handles. This is a similar distance to a fairly common 12-inch log. Now, if you move these handles out of the way, then we have an additional set of neutral handles that we can move down. So the distance from these two handles is similar to a common 10-inch log. So these move out of the way. Also, we have a number of different positions, whether you want to press in a neutral position, or maybe you've got poor short shoulder mobility like myself, you can put this in a more forward position. So you've got an incredible amount of utility in these handle positions. Also on these handles, whether this is in a locked position, so let's move these handles into a neutral position. So this is now locked together and then I can press, or move this out of the way and then we're in an ISO pressing position. The stopper and the adjustment here, unlike most of our other machines where we've got a pin lock position, the amount of force and load when people will drop this, we want something that's indestructible and bomb-proof. So we use our revolve hitch pins through here. So no matter what force or weight that you're going to drop onto here, you're not going to break these pins. So another upgrade that we've made to our Viking Press, as we have with all of our EXCEED machines, is upgraded our weight pins on the moving arm and our storage weight pins. So this is now stainless steel, laser cut, welded on end cap and then machined, brush finished. Then we weld on mild steel end plate. Then this goes off to the paint shop. We mask this up, paint this in a matte black. There's actually a steel stopper behind here. So steel stop position. And then we cover that with a nice rubber and a really super tight rubber stopper, so that's going to protect your plates from damage. Same with on our storage pins, same process. These are now 200 mil. We've gone from 300 to 200 mil because we want to be able to maximize or minimize the footprint of the machine. A row of machines and reducing each by 200 mil over a row of six machines, you can fit another machine into your gym. Last item on this machine is our branding plate. So all of our machines have a Bench Fitness logo plate on the moving arm. Then we have a large branding plate that we personalize for customers. So standard machine, this will be branded Bench Fitness. Personalized, maybe it's got John's Fitness on laser cut on here or some sort of shape or decal. We'll have a small Bench Fitness logo. Then we'll attach the branding plate, paint that in any color that suits your gym. So that's all the changes that we've made to our EXCEED Viking Press. Like all of our EXCEED machines, all of the improvements and upgrades that we make to the machine are about the machine performing better, lasting longer, and building world-class equipment. So that's what Built Strong means to us. Thank you.